2.1 How to install Connection Manager. During initial commissioning, the Connection Manager can be loaded directly from the device. This is done either by visiting the page http://editor.php or by loading the tool on the configuration page of the IP Control Center. See Configuration page. https://config.php. Prerequisite is the installed firmware 4.1.0 or higher. The installation package for the Connection Manager is copied to the PC, usually to the download directory of the browser. When the Connection Manager connects to the IP Control Center, it checks the current firmware version of the IP Control Center. Depending on the firmware version, the current matching editors are started on the PC. If the corresponding editor versions are not yet available on the PC, the Connection Manager will load the current editor versions in the background from the IP Control Center to the PC. After starting the installation, the following notice appears.